begins. Hey guys, so I'm in ex hostel right now, ex hostel Fort Kochi, and I've stayed here for 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks. This is an amazing place, and I love it here so much. The place is good, the vibe is good, and the people are excellent. So if you're planning to visit Fort Kochi, definitely be here, come here. I'll take you inside my room once and show you the place where I was sleeping. So this is the dorm, and I was sleeping there for almost 2 weeks. It's a spare room, you can change and do stuff. And then there is common area, you can chill, hang out, kitchen and washroom, and then there is also a common area for smoking for the people who smoke cigarettes. So they have private rooms downstairs for those who want private rooms, and also I think there is one more dorm downstairs. Apart from that, this is a very small, cute, quaint place, and you should again definitely stay here if you are planning to visit here in Fort Kochi. Anyway, so in today's video I'm going to take you around Fort Kochi, and this is the second time that I'm making a Fort Kochi video. The first time I made it was last Sunday, and the video is deleted. Ashwin is here. Hi Ashwin. Hi. And this time we are not going to take a scooter like I did last time. I am going to walk just Fort Kochi. So yeah, going to head towards my breakfast now. Let's go. So here we are on the streets of Fort Kochi. I'll just show the place, and since we are walking, I'll be able to show the roads. Mostly all the major roads are named after like they are kind of popular. Yeah, so just let's go. So this is a very famous teapot cafe. They opened recently, and it's also a very famous photo shoot place. Since I'm not going to eat here, I'm just going to move out. But if you guys are coming, then definitely check out this place. It's Teapot Cafe. Fort Kochi is such a small area, no? Like you stay here for 2 weeks, and everybody is going to know you. Why I need to wear my mask?
Yeah, and you need to wear your handbag also, no?
Okay, I'll carry my handbag.
Most stylish. Let's go.
चलो तो अभी we are going to go towards Kashi Art Cafe. Kashi Art is the cafe where I ate most of my meals. Most of my meals as in, yeah, most of my meals. Because the time I arrived, only that cafe was open, and it's the cafe that has a lot of vegan and vegetarian options. It's a bit costly, but it's good. I'm giving the feedback because I cannot say that in front of them. I'll show you around. So this is the road I came from. All these are three roads that you can go, and they all will converge at the same point somehow or the other. So even if I choose this road or I choose this road, I'll eventually end up at the same point. It's more like Connaught Palace. We'll choose this road, okay? We'll go by this road.
Today no Google Maps route. We're gonna
Yeah.
search.
And again, this is Loafer's Corner. Good cheap breakfast options, but mostly these are with eggs, which I cannot eat. So you see the entire road of Fort Kochi. It has these spots where you can click so many pictures and take so many videos. Today is Sunday, so abhi to it is not very crowded, but I think in some hour around noon people will start coming up freely, because the people from Ernakulam and surrounding areas, they start flocking in for photos, video shoots and everything else. But yeah, moving towards Kashi Art Cafe. So the area straight will lead us to the beach, Mahatma Gandhi beach. This street that I came from, it's called Princess Street. Kashi Art is this side.
Okay.
So we are going to enter into Kashi Art Cafe. I think it's pretty much crowded today. the lunch, everything here is very, very nice. But it's costly. So the plan is that we are going to eat cheap because you are going to pay.
Okay, cool. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? I came from all the way over there. Okay. I took a cycle. I cycled 16 kilometers, and now she's telling me to pay.
Because Ashwin, last time you made me pay everything. Everything. For the scooty, for the petrol, for the food, everything. Of course I remember. How can you forget?
But I'm broke.
He cannot be broke, he just got his salary.
I told everyone.
So we are going to have a small meal and move on. We'll have watermelon iced tea and
hot chocolate.
okay. Take it.
I would ask if they put a smiley.
So how's the hot chocolate?
It's decent. It's pretty decent. I like this.
This one is good. Technically it's not hot chocolate, it's just Bournvita.
Yeah. It's not Bournvita. That is like, no, it's Boost.
I could have given something better, but then I understand what you were thinking about hot chocolate, something thick and all.
Bullshit. I asked her, she didn't say shit.
I think after this we'll be moving to the streets and yeah, just moving to the streets and keep following us. So Ashwin, how does it feel to pay all the bills today?
Nope.
It sucks. My salary will be completely over on cafes.
This is the day I was waiting for. Any recommendation, any suggestions apart from Kashi Art where I should visit? Huh? Casa. Okay. Let's go to Casa Kitchen first. Thank you. Bye. One thing that I've really liked about this place, Ashwin, is, you know what, that people are really honest here. Like, now overall in Kerala I've noticed. So, you know, when I was in Varkala, I really wanted to eat pancakes, and I eat eggless pancakes, and most of the places do not have eggless pancakes, and they actually told me that, you know, if I make it eggless, it won't be as tasty. Like for business purpose, they could have just sold me an eggless pancake without giving a review, but you know, they keep in mind customer satisfaction and all that. And even here, he very honestly said Casa Kitchen. So we'll move towards the street and then see where Casa Kitchen is. And can you wear the mask, and can you help me wear the mask? See, you can see the streets. What is it?